Karon atong balikon pag-compute kung pila ka board feet ang posporo. So gamitan nato og dili mata-mata, kundili millimeter, no? So ang sukod ani nga posporo is thickness is 15 mm. Then width is 37 mm. Then length is 50 mm. So dira, again, measurement, thickness is 15 mm, then width is 37 mm, then length is 50 mm. So ang atong equivalent, 2,359,737.23 cubic millimeter equals 1 board foot, no? So sa ato pa, ang atong formula, board feet formula is board feet thickness measured by millimeter times width measured by millimeter times length measured by millimeter over 2,359,737.23 cubic millimeter. Okay. So, dara ang atong sumada. Board feet is 15 mm for the thickness times 37 mm for the width times 50 mm for the length over 2,359,737.23 cubic millimeter. So, dira patuloy. So, dira, board feet equals 27,750 cubic millimeter over 2,359,737.23 cubic millimeter. So, cubic millimeter over cubic millimeter, so cancel. So, ang atong board feet is 0.0117597.839 board foot, no? Kini nga posporo, ang iyang volume in terms of board feet is 0.01175978939 board foot, no? Mao ni volume sa posporo. So mao lang to guys. Og daghang salamat.